So we know that this is the angle symbol in your computer. So if you open the Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, you can using a keyboard shortcut, you can create this angle symbol. And suppose if you want to create a reversed angle symbol, then we can again follow a shortcut method. For doing this, if your number lock is off, you must turn on. That is, the number lock is enabled here now. The next step is you must simply press and hold your Alt key. That is, you must put your finger in this Alt key. You did not remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, you must type here 10659. So after typing that, you can simply release your finger from this Alt key. So if you do like that, then you can see that this reversed angle symbol have been created in your computer keyboard. So remember, the keyboard shortcut for creating reversed angle symbol in your Windows computer keyboard is Alt 10659. For more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel Engineers World Online. Thank you for watching.